Sa ibang balita, nagsumite sa Senate Blue Ribbon Committee ng kopya ng deed of donation si Manuel Mejorada. Si Mejorada ay ang plunder complainant laban kay Senate President Franklin Drilon at iba pang cabinet officials kaugnay ng umano'y overpricing sa pagpapagawa ng Iloilo Convention Center. Anya, magpapatunay ang naturang dokumento na overpriced ang pagpapagawa ng ICC. Nakasaad sa mga dokumento na 200 million pesos lang ang dapat nagastos sa pagpapagawa ng naturang convention center kung pagbabasihan ang conceptual design ng WV Coscolluelo Architects. Mariin naman itong itinanggi ni Drilon at sa halip ay tinawanan lang si Mejorada. Dagdag pa ng Senate President, ang halagang sinasabi ni Mejorada ay nakasaad sa deed of donation ay ang share ng Tourism Infrastructure and Enterprise Zone Authority o TIEZA at hindi ang kabuang presyo ng pagpapagawa.
Yung deed of donation ay magpapatunay na may overpricing sa Iloilo Convention Center. It speaks of the convention center to be finished by February 2015 according to the proposed conceptual design submitted by Megaworld Corporation, and very clearly wala pong pagduda na yung kinasunduan po nila ay magkakahalaga lang po ito ng 200 milyong piso.
The 200 million is the contribution of TIEZA in the building construction. And in fact, that 200 million has not yet been used. That is for the second phase, for the finishing. The first phase is worth it's about 500 million, so from the General Appropriation Act, is about to be finished.